Hello friends, welcome to channel HSWari. Friends, if you are using Oppo mobile phone and facing the problem of your WhatsApp not getting message when in background, so I am going to show you it settings in your setting option where you can set up your background settings of your WhatsApp, and you will get your message when WhatsApp is in your background or off. So friends, first of all I will show you I'm using a Oppo mobile phone. For that, let's go to the about phone. You can see the device name is Oppo A57. I'm using Oppo A57 and color operating system version 3.0.0i. You can see I'm using this Oppo mobile phone, and I'm not getting WhatsApp message in background if my internet is working is on, and I'm not getting my message of WhatsApp until I am not opening the WhatsApp. So in this video I will show you you have to go to your setting and go to the battery. You can see the battery is written here, and now go to the energy saver. You can see the energy saver is the on the top of my screen, energy 7. And now go to the WhatsApp. You can see these two options are off, and you have to keep this off for getting your message in background. If you switch on from here, you can see the written already written there, fridge when in background. Fridge when in background, if you switch down these options, you will not get your message in the background. Your background when WhatsApp in background will get fridge. So for getting the message in background, you need to switch off these two options, and now you will get message in background. We can see the other apps. You can see the other apps, Amazon, fridge, they are already on. I am keeping all my remaining apps in on condition, because when you are keeping these all in on position, your entire mobile data will work on that particular application which you are using presently on your screen. And there is no, your mobile phone data will not covered by other applications which are running on background. So if you are doing important work like transaction, you need a full internet speed, and this will help you if you are in low internet speed area. So friends, the main thing, you have to switch off these two things, and you will get your WhatsApp message in backgrounds. So hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.